Hi, first graders. Today I'm going to share with you how to do the activity called Pattern Video Picture in Seesaw. So you're going to click the Add Response button and you'll click your name. And what you see here is a blank page and it says create a growing pattern. So when you create your growing pattern, you can use pictures, you could use symbols, you could use drawings, you could record yourself making movements or sounds. You could do anything that you want to do to be creative to create your growing pattern. So for example, in this one, I'm going to use sound to create my growing pattern. So I would click my microphone tool and I'm going to record the sound that I want to make a growing pattern. The first thing you need to think about is what you want your pattern to sound like. So I want my pattern to grow. So that means that one of the sounds has to get more of them each time I make the chord. So I might start with clap, tap, tap. If I want to have the clap be the growing part, the next time I'll make 2 claps. Clap, clap. Then I'll make 3 claps. Clap, 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 tap, tap. Then I'll make 4 claps. Clap, 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 tap, tap. So what I just did was record myself making a growing pattern. So if I want to record myself now that I know, I'm going to click the record button. And I'm going to start recording my sound as I go. And then I can hit the stop button. Now my recording is in Seesaw. See how it's paused here? And I can click the done button. Now you'll see that my recording is recorded in my Seesaw frame as I go. And then I can hit the stop button. So you heard my recording of myself making my pattern. So you're going to create a pattern. You can record yourself. You could videotape yourself if you want to by clicking the camera button. When you're done creating your growing pattern, on the next one, you're going to draw a pattern a different way. Transfer that growing pattern. So my growing pattern started with clap, clap, tap. So that means I need to change it to something else. So maybe I draw circle, circle, square. That represents clap, clap, tap. The next time I did clap, 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 tap. So I drew circle, 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 square. See how I went from 2 to 3? Then I did clap, 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 tap. So it's circle, 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 square. And if I kept going one more time, I could do clap, clap. How many do you think I need? That's right, I need 5. Clap, 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 5 circles, and then a square. So I took my sound pattern and I transferred it into a shape pattern. When I'm done, I can hit the green check mark and send it to my teacher. So have fun creating your growing patterns using sound, or you can use motion or movements. You can draw it and then make a transferred pattern using the same growing pattern just in a different way. So you're going to make one growing pattern and another growing pattern using the same repeating, but doing it using different shapes or different movements or different sounds. All right, have fun creating some growing patterns.